The Horror Mansion Tale. A dark, old mansion surrounded by twisted trees and fog. An old, creaky wooden door slightly ajar with eerie light emanating from within. A dimly lit hallway with peeling wallpaper and cobwebs hanging from the ceiling. Old, dusty portraits of people with hollow A lining the walls. Shadowy figures, silhouettes of ghostly figures lurking in the dark corners. Spooky stairs. A narrow staircase leading to the unknown, with a faint glow at the top. A Victorian style living room with broken furniture and a cracked mirror reflecting strange lights. A dark, damp basement filled with old trunks and rattling chains. A close up of flickering candles illuminating a dark room. An abandoned garden with wild, overgrown plants and a broken statue. An attic filled with dusty boxes and an eerie presence lurking in the shadows. An abandoned garden with wild, overgrown plants and a broken statue. A translucent figure floating in one of the rooms. A display of seemingly cursed objects found in the house, like an old doll or a rusty key. The moment the protagonist meets the dark entity with a terrifying expression. The brave friends looking apprehensive before entering the mansion. A scene depicting the protagonist performing a ritual to protect himself. Strange symbols carved into walls or furniture. Claw marks on a door or wall, suggesting something sinister. Close-ups of the friends as they hear creepy noises. The mansion under a full moon, surrounded by thick fog. A visual representation of whispers traveling through the air. An ominous eye peering from a dark corner of the house. Portraits with their faces scratched out or torn. A black cat sitting in front of the mansion, symbolizing bad luck. Dusty, ancient books on a bookshelf, some open to pages about dark magic. Close-up of the mansion's cracked walls, emphasizing age and decay. The air filled with a misty ambience, giving a ghostly feeling. Fallen leaves swirling in the wind outside the mansion. A fictional news report about spooky occurrences in the mansion. A grandfather clock stuck at midnight, embodying an ominous aura. Fog rolling in through an open window. A cracked flower pot with dead plants inside. The eye of unknown animals glowing in the darkness. A secret door that opens to a hidden room. A large mirror reflecting an alternate, sinister reality. Visuals depicting sound waves of screams echoing in the mansion. The friends dressed in costumes, feeling brave yet. A dusty, old map showing hidden treasures within the mansion. Ominous dark clouds looming over the mansion, threatening rain. Old, rusty chains hanging from the ceiling. Family photos scattered on the floor, faces scratched out. A beam of supernatural light illuminating one part of the room. A chair appearing to be pulled by an unseen force. A dark void under the bed, suggesting something sinister is hiding. A ghost in a flowing white dress, partially hidden behind a curtain. An ancient journal filled with ominous drawings and writings. Cracked windows with shadows cast from outside. An abandoned table set for a meal, covered in dust. A broken music box playing an eerie tune. A dark shadow creeping along the wall. Gnarled tree roots growing through the floorboards. An empty room with a haunting echo of a scream. Reflections in the water of a nearby pond showing ghostly figures. A web covering a corner, suggesting neglect. An overhead view showing a floorboard lifting as if stepping on it. Old, forgotten toys scattered around, adding to the eeriness. A person looking into a reflection that shows a ghostly figure. Daggers or weapons seemingly embedded in walls. Footprints leading into a room but vanishing abruptly. A rusted gate that leads to the mansion's back. Curtains blowing wildly as if disturbed by a ghost. A sign outside the mansion warning trespassers. Branches reaching out like skeletal hands. Tracks leading up to the mansion in a snowy setting. Dry leaves swirling around a still environment. A visual representation of an unseen barrier around the mansion. A character exhaling mist in the cold air. These imagery concepts can help guide the creation of a series of visuals that effectively bring the horror mansion story to life.